Here is how you check the condition of your tyres at home. Make sure your handbrake is on and the ignition is off, then turn your steering to full lock for a full view of the tyre. For an accurate reading, you can use a tyre tread gauge, which is very easy to use. Please make sure that the settings are in millimetres and not inches. Place the tyre tread gauge in between the tread pattern of the tyre as shown in the video. The legal requirement is 1.6mm, but for your safety, the depth should be no less than 3mm. Your tyre may also have a bald spot, so check for wear in different places. If you don't have access to a tyre tread gauge, you can also use a 20p piece as the edge is 3mm deep. Repeat the same process as shown in the video. If you can't see the edge of the coin, then your tyre is okay. That's how easy it is to check your tyre tread depth. If you're still unsure or your tyres aren't above 3mm, please get in touch with us, the details are on the screen.